Now we'll begin with profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, Vinod and Mohan are partners. So there are two partners, Vinod and Mohan. Vinod's capital is 1 lakh and Mohan's capital is 60,000. Okay, the capitals are given 1 lakh and 60,000. Interest on capital is payable at 6% per annum. Vinod is to get a salary of rupees 3,000 per month. The net profit for the year is rupees 80,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, let's start with the sum. First, we'll leave some space for the working notes and then we'll start with the sum. Okay, we'll write working notes here. This is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year, whatever. Okay, and then it's particulars amount, particulars amount. The first one is interest on capital. We'll first make our working notes for interest on capital. Interest on capital, we have two partners. One is Vinod and the other one is Mohan. Okay, Vinod had contributed rupees 1 lakh to the firm and Mohan had invested a capital of rupees 60,000. Now it says that interest on capital is to be provided at 6%. So it's simple, 1 lakh into 6%, that is 6 by 100. And the same way 60,000 into 6 by 100, 6%. That would give us 0, 0 will get cut over here. So it's 6,000 for Vinod, and for Mohan the interest on capital would be, again 0, 0 gets cut, 3,600. Okay, in the sum it says that the net profit for the year is rupees 80,000. So first we'll put this on the credit side. We'll first write over here debit, credit. Okay, so the first entry would be by net profit. How much is our net profit? 80,000. Okay, then our next entry, to interest on capital. Now we have two partners. First one is Vinod and second one is Mohan. How much is it for Vinod? 6,000 rupees. So we'll write 6,000, and for Mohan it is 3,600. So the total interest on capital is going to be rupees 9,600. Next is interest on capital. Vinod is to get a salary of rupees 3,000 per month. Okay, Vinod gets a salary of rupees 3,000. So we'll write over here to salary. Who is getting a salary? Vinod. How much is going to be his salary? We can calculate over here. We can do in the working notes. He gets a salary of rupees 3,000 per month. So it is 3,000 into 12. So how much is he going to get? 36,000. After this, next is, we don't have any other entry now, so now we can close the accounts. Okay, so let's close the accounts. Since this is higher than this amount, we'll put 80,000 on both the sides. Now whatever is the balance, this 80,000, okay, we'll subtract it from these two amounts. So it's going to be 80,000 minus 36,000 minus 9,600. Okay, our answer would be 0, 0, 4, 3. It's going to be 34,400. Okay, so this amount 34,400 is our balance amount. Now where will this 34,400 go? This 34,400 is going to go to, these are the profits, okay, that is going to be transferred to the capital accounts of the two partners, Vinod and Mohan. So we'll write to profit. Supposing it comes on the credit side, it's a loss. Transferred to whom? Vinod's capital account, and the other one is Mohan's capital account. Okay, now how much is each person going to get? It's not mentioned in the sum. Since it's not mentioned in the sum, we assume that this 34,400 is going to be transferred between the two. Is going to be, this profit is going to be given equally to the two partners, Vinod and Mohan. So 34,200 divided by 2 would be 17,200. So Vinod gets a profit of 17,200 and Mohan gets a profit of 17,200.